Scrapbookers, this is Megan and I am back today with a Sketches Reimagined layout for you. So this is a series that my dear friend Sarah does on her channel where she takes a sketch and just uses it and makes it work for her. So today, obviously, I am reimagining this sketch and using 4 photos. The sketch actually only calls for 1 photo. Sorry, totally lost my train of thought there for a second. And I have these 4 photos that I just really wanted to scrapbook because I recently got my close to my heart Sawyer collection in the mail, and I was like, I have to use it, and it's a very girly collection, and so I knew I had to use it with my girl dog. So this is Piper, this is our girl, and she's the only girl besides me in my family, or in our family. And so when I want to do a really girly layout, I always do photos of either me or Piper. So I had recently been going through my photos and I found these black and white ones of Mark and Piper, and then also one of me with Piper. And I just knew that this collection was going to be perfect for these photos. The black and white just totally contrasts with the colors of these purple and kind of pinkish papers. So I was so super excited. So you can see, obviously, that my layout is going to turn out so much differently than the sketch, but that's what using a sketch is kind of all about. At least to me, it's taking an idea that somebody else has out there and making it work for you, your style, and your photos. And so I kind of totally came to the conclusion I wanted to use these photos. And so this is where I decided to take the grid design. So I think it was supposed to be a pocket page is what I'm imagining that the sketch was originally planned for. So obviously I am doing a 12 by 12 layout, and I believe Sarah made a 12 by 12 layout as well. So you can kind of see the difference between our 2 layouts. So here you can see I am using Close to My Heart ink in the color Grape, and I am just inking all the edges on the pattern papers. And I really love how that kind of just makes the pattern paper pop off of the page. I'm going to cut off a little piece on that border, or not border, I was going to say border paper, but on that smaller piece of pattern paper on the bottom that has banners on it, not borders. And then now I'm going to start gluing everything down. And I think I run into a problem when I'm gluing down this photo. I realize, oh crap, I probably should put this photo on the right down first because I want the middle 2 photos to be the same distance from each of the side photos. I don't know. Sometimes I'm really, really picky about stuff like that, and other times I'm just like, whatever, I don't care. But this night I was very picky about the distance between all of the photos and all of the papers and everything. It's kind of interesting how your the way you scrapbook can change from layout to layout. Okay, so I'm just getting all of my background put together, and that is that, and I absolutely love it. So then I'm going to pull in the embellishments. So this was a sticker sheet. So I got the Sawyer Scrapbooking Kit. So it comes with 12 papers. I don't remember actually how many papers. There's a lot of papers. This sticker sheet, 4, pocket page, or not pocket pages, but page protectors, and then a bunch of embellishments, like paper, kind of cardstock type embellishments. So if you're interested in getting this kit, I will have a link to this specific kit below. I absolutely love it. I had so much fun using it, and yeah, it was just so easy to use. So pretty, so cute. I'm not a huge like pastel scrapbooker. I have boys, and they're very loud and rough and tumble, and video games, and all that good stuff. And so I don't use a lot of these like light colors. So this was really fun to do. So now I'm going to glue down these banners down there at the bottom. And I am just kind of putting a bunch of stickers all around on this layout. And that is basically the gist of this layout. And I am so insanely in love with it. I just absolutely love how it turned out. So here I am just cutting off this sticker, and I'm going to put part of it down there on top of the title, which is Treasured Moments. And I know it's very cliche, but you know, it was easy peasy lemon squeezy to just pull it off of the sticker pad or the sticker sheet. Here I realized that I needed these tags or these banners to be popping off of that background a little more, so I inked the edges, and I think that is going to be it for this layout. I add a few other hearts and flowers around in that banner cluster, and then that is it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you really enjoyed this layout, and make sure you check out Sarah's. Have a great day. Bye.